Welcome to the garage. It's been a long time since we've been in here. You're probably wondering, what is he up to now? Well, I'm going to upgrade the suspension in the front forks, and eventually I'll be upgrading the rear shocks. I am debating on whether or not I'm going to have this painted a different color. I mean, to be honest, I really love the green, and maybe I'll go to another green or just leave it all together. I don't know yet. And I want to black out some of these parts. I did some blackout on this chrome bar here, or what some call the engine protection bar, crash bar, whatnot. And I used some just regular off-the-shelf paint. The only problem is this paint doesn't withstand being chipped. You know, it's not a hard paint. So the plan for today is remove the footrest, remove the engine guard, remove the air filter cover, get this stuff stripped and ready for paint. Right, well, it's been a 5-hour day in the shop. Everything's ready for paint. I sanded everything down with 320 grit. What you want to do with the chrome is you want to scratch it up is what you want to do. Scratch it up, that way the paint, primer and paint would have something to stick to. I have no idea how far I'm going to go with the black as far as blackening it out. I think I do want to do these pieces here black, this piece here black, and maybe this piece back here. Like I said, I'm still not sure on the paint. I really like the neon green color. It makes it unique, it's different. But we'll see when I get to the point where I have to make a decision. Next video, we're going to take off the wheel, the fender, and try to get the fairing off and out of the way, so we can attempt to get those forks off. Any questions, comments, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Appreciate the help. You all, God bless, and I'll see you next week.